All right, here's the thing. I haven't done a vlog in a very long time, and today was supposed to be the day. I wanted to do a vlog today. I wanted to show you guys a day in the life. It's been so long since you guys have kind of seen what's happening behind the scenes. It didn't happen today. Couldn't do it. I ended up just being on a lot of meetings today and did a lot of prep work for the Accelerator that I have coming up. So it would have been a very uneventful vlog anyways. So I figured it's just gonna be a day in the night. I need to go grab some dinner. I don't have groceries right now. I've eaten all of my meal preps in the fridge, and I am having to resort to fast food because I'm hungry right at this very moment. So we're just gonna go grab some fast food. I figured I'll at least try to give you guys as much of like a life update on where we're at right now. Okay, where do I start? First update is I got a new apartment. I moved into a new apartment. This is it. Now, do I wish I could have shown you during the day because it's got an amazing view? Yeah, but here we are. I mean, this is it. So I'll give you guys the lowdown. This is the apartment. I just bought a new MacBook. Obviously, it's not supposed to go on my dining room table, but I got a new desktop. It should go in my office soon. But this is the apartment. This is the living room. There's a crazy view I wish you guys could see. It's crazy. It's all of Nashville. Everything green, some hills, tons of trees. Instead you get the nighttime view. But this is the new apartment. This is it. We've got the living room, TV, lots of plants, my dining room table. I got a balcony, a little day bed. I'll give you guys a super quick tour. So it's a 3-bedroom. Everything's also still coming together. Storage room and stuff, and then a wine fridge. Then we got the hallway. We got guest bathroom. We've got guest bedroom. This is where I'm sleeping actually, because my bedroom's not all the way ready. This is the content room. Still putting it together. It's still coming together, but very close. Just, you know, lots of stuff everywhere. We got wires all over the place, camera, we got a cigar, some chopsticks, and pens. The necessities here. This is just a disaster. Lots of cords, Ethernet cables, tons of stuff in here. But this is the future amazing content room. It's gonna be so cool. Can't wait. We've got this fun little mirror here. One of my favorite pieces. Hi. We've got my closet. This is my closet. We got all my Jordans. We got all my sneakers, my running shoes. We got Uggs, sandals, heels, slippers. Color coordinated here. All the drawers. Don't look at that one. Then we've got bathroom is looking a little trash, so don't judge. Dirty clothes on the floor. Still coming together. This still needs some work, but this is bathroom so far. And then bedroom also still coming together. Still needs some work, still a little bit empty. Haven't really spent much time in here yet. Right now I'm just spending a lot of time in the guest bedroom. Okay, so that is the quickest tour of the house. What else? I got a new car. I don't know if you guys saw yet, but I got a Tesla. I sold my Porsche. Am I in the market for a sports car? Yeah, I am. Do we have one yet? No, we don't. Right now, the Tesla is like the perfect daily driver. The nieces, the nephew, the little brother loves the car. It's got 6 seats. I'll show you guys in a minute whenever we go to pick up some fast food. Here's the fit today. We've got my self-tanner sweatpants. These are worn when I'm wearing self-tanner. You could see why. We don't care if they're messed up. We've got the Uggs. We've got the classic Ugg Croc conversion here. They could be in sport mode, but they're not. They're in comfort. We got the blue light blocking glasses, because I'd be staring at screens all the time. But yeah, that was super quick house tour. Let's take a walk over to the car. Show you guys the car. I also got the new iPhone. This has been really fun. Camera quality is amazing. You can now do selfie pictures and selfie videos in horizontal mode, which is great for creators. All right, let's lock up and hop in the car. All right, here is the new car. Coolest part is when I walk up to it, it opens for me. Just love that. Love it, love it, love it. All right, let me make sure I get us all set up. So, Tesla update. I got the Model X Plaid 2026. Love it, 0 complaints. Love the car. Full self-driving capabilities. It opens the door when I come up to it. I type in the address, I confirm, I tap the brake, to go, and it takes me all the way to wherever I need to go. I don't need to touch the steering wheel. I don't need to touch the gas or the brake. One of the coolest things ever. I will say, getting out of the parking garage, I do it myself. I don't know if it's capable of doing that. But yeah, okay, so outside of apartment update, car update, life update, I just wrapped up one of the biggest events in the space. I think we're making some crazy moves. It was the Trader in 3 Days challenge, and it was like 16 hours on stream on YouTube. We had 11,000 people show up every single day. Was insane. Crazy value. Went through all of the psychology that has gotten me to where I am today. The mindset of a trader, then talked through the entire strategy. It was an absolute game-changing event. One of the biggest in the industry. Wow. That was, I mean, I'm coming off of that high right now. So, super exciting. I offered something for those who wanted more, and I figured, all right, well, if we've already spent 3 days together, which technically I did 4 days together because I added a bonus day at the end, but I figured if people want to continue to spend more time together, I was like, dude, if you liked these 3-4 days, imagine what would happen if we spend 21 more days together. So let's just get some food, and then we'll continue the talk. So here we go. I also got a Whoop. Love this thing. So cool. And it looks cute with all my jewelry. I'm convinced I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I can wear a watch and a Whoop at the same time. I just be wearing it all, you know what I'm saying? Alright, well, I've decided we're gonna do Chick-fil-A. Some people are gonna hate me for it, and to be honest, I think they're little sticklers. They're not very inclusive. I know that. Do I love their chicken sandwich? Yeah, I do. Am I gonna go? Yeah, I am. But it is what it is, so don't judge me. I'm going to eat Chick-fil-A. Where do I start? Where do I start? I mean, right now, the biggest life event has just been this Trader in 3 Days challenge. It was one of the biggest things I've been a part of. For the industry, I feel like for mankind. What I set out to do for this event was, I have a bone to pick with the industry itself, with the way people portray trading or what a trader looks like. And everyone just, I think to stroke their ego, they just make trading seem 10 times harder and make it seem like you have to be so qualified. So qualified. You need to have a degree in finance or economics. You need to have interned on Wall Street. You need to have blah, blah, blah. You need to have had completed 100 hours of education. And I'm telling you guys, it was my goal to set out and be like, all of these people are wrong. It's not true. So that was my goal, was to just show people that you don't have to fit this box. This box doesn't actually show what a trader really can be or what it takes to be a trader. The box actually looks like this. It's the whole thing. It's everything. It can be anyone. It can be any type of person, any age, from any background. So that was my main goal of this event, and mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Now people like my nail tech, my lash artist, my sister's neighbor, my other sister's friend's mom, my hairstylist, my dental hygienist, now they're thinking, oh, I can be a trader. Even if that's not the end goal. Like, even if my goal isn't to be the ultimate trader, I actually want to be a musician or an artist or a fashion designer. Whatever it may be, like, I can still trade. I can still be a trader. So, mission accomplished. I did it. I was spreading the good news. I spread the good word. And I'm sure I upset a lot of people in the industry because they've got to have their ego stroked, inflated, whatever it is. They've got to make people think that what they do is so hard. So it makes them seem so much cooler. It is not rocket science, my guy. I know it makes you seem so cool. And I'm sure all the girls are like, oh my God, what you do is so cool. I never would be able to. And I'm telling you girls, he ain't that cool. I'm telling you, he's not that cool. You can do it too, and you could probably be better than him. Now, with that being said also, though, I don't want people to think that, like, you can become a millionaire overnight, that it's that easy, because it's not. Like, you still got to get the reps in. You still got to have discipline, patience. You got to be able to manage risk. So yes. But I mean, it's the qualifications that people make it sound like you have to have are outrageous. I feel like you could learn trading just like you can learn anything else. You can learn how to work Premiere Pro. You can learn how to operate a new iPhone. You can learn to code. It's simple, but it's not easy. Side note, on the Tesla, you can pull up the charts while you drive. Obviously, I don't condone trading and driving, but you can at least watch your trade or watch the markets on your screen while you're driving. All right, what am I gonna get? I'm so hungry. Here is the question. Do I want to be healthy? Hi, how are you doing?
Thank you, how are you?
Good.
What's your name for it?
Victoria.
What can I get for you today?
Let's do the kale crunch salad and do you guys do 6-count nuggets or just 8?
5 and 8.
Let's do a 5-count nugget. Let's do a small lemonade and a small fry. All right, we decided to go half healthy. I got a salad. Thank you. All right. All right, self-driving mode enabled. Sometimes it's still a little stressful. I think I have just officially made it my mission in general on social media to just prove that trading can be simple and anyone can do it. You can use something as simple as trendlines. That's what I do. You can have no prior knowledge in economics or finance. You don't even have to be that great at math. So that's just been my mission, to be honest. And I get so much hate for it. People don't believe that I trade the way that I do. They don't believe I use such a simple system. I mean, let them hate. And it's because everyone else in the industry has made it seem impossible or impossibly difficult. But man, the messages that I've gotten from people after this 3-day event, the most heartwarming messages I have heard in a long time. So cool. I really think we're making like huge changes in the industry. It's so exciting. I'm probably gonna get pulled over for having these lights on. Or maybe not. Maybe that's something that your parents made you feel like was illegal, but really isn't. Or maybe it is. We'll see. I've been in like mega go mode prepping for these next 21 days. So I am working as much as I can to make this the best accelerator ever. It starts on September 29th. September 29th is day 1. We are closing in on the last few days. We're coming up on 72 hours left as of right now. If you're watching this video, it's probably less than that. September 29th is day 1 of the accelerator. And if you don't know what the accelerator is, it is a 21-day accelerated learning, essentially. Week 1 psychology, week 2 strategy, week 3 implementation. But I'm working on making this the best accelerator I've ever done. So pretty much this has been my life for the past few days, for at least like the past week and a half, wrapping up the Trader in 3 Days challenge, and now prepping mega for 21-day accelerator. All right, guys. Well, this wasn't the vlog that I wanted to do, but this is the vlog we got. It is just a nighttime drive with Tori Trades, getting Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna head home, continue to knock out accelerator curriculum, comb through it, make sure everything's up to date, up to speed, top tier content, top tier value. If you haven't locked in a spot yet, there is still time. If you hit the link in the description below, it'll take you to the homepage of the accelerator. Get in before September 29th. September 29th is day 1 of the accelerator. Cart closes, enrollment closes, and then we start. But I'm gonna go home, continue to work on curriculum, and then I will see you guys there. Bye.